Snowy, stop making a mess.
It's so loud!
Snowy, you could have died. Bubba. I do not feel good. Stay still so I can clean you up.
Snowy!
Look what you have done! This is not funny, Snowy. You must learn discipline.
Sit here. No playing until you behave.
You think this is a game? You made the mess. Now you will clean it.
Papa, it's too hard. So much soap.
See, son? It is easy to destroy, but hard to fix. Respect hard work.
I am sorry, Papa. I will listen from now on.
That's my boy. For working hard today, you deserve this.
Mischief is easy, but responsibility makes you strong. Always respect hard work.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog.